Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now. This is what we've been waiting for, right? Finally, a news reporter got it out of Brad. What we already knew is that Ripple CEO open to settling with the SEC, but under one condition. Of course, we wouldn't ask anything else of you, Mr. Brad. Of course, it has to be on your call, on your say, in your way, because at the end of the day, this case should never have even happened. So, to the extent that we can find constructive path towards with the SEC, we of course want to find that. There is no scenario though that we're going to settle unless there is an absolute certainty about what is XRP on the forward basis, on the go forward basis. That's the only thing that they need. So essentially what Brad is saying, as long as you give us what exactly XRP is on the go forward basis, well, let's talk settlement. That's why when the news came out that the Ripple lawyers are saying we're not going to settle, we're going for the win, blah, 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 blah. That's all it is. Of course there can be a settlement. Well, why wouldn't they settle? And as long as they get what they want, who cares? As long as you get what I want, I get what I want, XRP and Ripple get what they want, we're out of here. We don't care to get this to drag out any longer than it needs to. So let's see. I think it's coming. Now, leading the way on global crypto and fintech sustainability. This was published last year, and this talks about the importance of a near carbon net zero by 2050 and why the XRP ledger is so green and what are the benefits of it being so green. This is important because part of legal regulatory clarity that is coming and which will be coming in 2022, part of that is being green. And it doesn't get much greener than Ripple. There is a lot of others that are green, but Ripple's pretty green. And so keep an eye out because as we progress and move forward into 2022, who's green and who's not green will play a big role. Now, if you jump on xrplgrants.org, you will find this website. And it says here all the grantees that have been provided by Ripple grants to work on their projects and to continue to expand their projects. Building it on the XRP blockchain. Now, Aquarel Metaverse is one of them, which is an NFT art and game development studio, working with artists and developers, particularly from India, to unleash their creativity across blockchain. Now, this one has been given $130,000. Now, I'm going to try and see if I can connect to because they are in Australia, just to see if I can hear a little bit more from them and maybe even get them on an interview, just to explain, like how was it going through the grant process of XRP and what's it like building on this particular blockchain. But Anchain.ai, $50,000 they were given, offers AI-powered intelligence enhancing blockchain security, risk, and compliance strategies. So that'll be very interesting. That's out of the US. BitHomp, $200,000, is an XRPO explorer and toolkit used by many cryptocurrency exchanges, was launched in 2015. So that there is also been given a grant. $25,000 have gone to Carbon Land. And on this website, it goes on and on and on and on. So do take the time to check it out. xrplgrants.org. And it goes on and on. And there's so much in here. But there's a lot of NFT stuff happening on this blockchain. Like a lot of NFT stuff. So the future, sometimes you need to be forward thinking and you need to look at this stuff and be like, okay, well, if all these projects go ahead, what does our future look like? What does XRP, the blockchain, look like in 12 to 24 months time? That's the kind of thing, these are the kind of homeworks that you got to do. Because it's too easy to talk about it when it's already here. You got to talk about it when it's not here. And also, checking these out can be excellent opportunities for finding future gems. Because, these could be the next 50, 100Xs that come out in the future. So do take the time, check it out. I'd love to know your feedback on that. One of them, for example, Anchain.ai, this is their website. This is what they're up to. This is how they're going on about it. So, look, I'll be keeping an eye out on these. And if I find something that I think, has tremendous potential, I'll be the first to bring it to you guys. So like, for example, this one here, looking from where it is, what it does, right? Leading AI blockchain security company. Is that got some merit? We will see. Time will tell. Time will tell. Now there are some interesting documents that have come out. So let me brief you on like what's been going on there. Now this is the letter that Ripple files letter requesting that 3 additional documents be reviewed in camera based on a privilege log provided by the SEC after the August 31st, 2021 telephone conference, including an email chain. So that's the document that Ripple have filed. So it'll be very, very interesting to see what happens here. Now, China Central Bank says all crypto-related transactions are illegal and Bitcoin plunges 5%. Look, every time the whales want to buy more, they just get China to do their dirty work. Simple as that. Because there has been tremendous amount of activity from the whales in the last 24 to 48 hours, and they're buying everything. Everything, right? You can see it in the data. That's what you're going to follow. So do as they do, not as they say. That's the easiest, best, one of the best advices you can get. Do what the whales do, not what they're saying to you. Not what the media is saying to you. You do what they are doing. And that there is really, really valuable stuff. Now, SEC Chair Gary Gensler calls blockchain technology a global catalyst for change. Can this guy make up his mind? Are you pro or are you against? What are you? Because you seem to change your mind like the moon. Like, literally. He's always changing his mind. Now, the XRP lawsuit settlement speculations rise upon the SEC request for an extension to file seal. Yes, we heard about that yesterday. We spoke about it. Let's move on because I'm just excited to get this. I just want this thing to be finished already. Like I think a settlement is coming. That's my 2 cents. And of course, James K. Filan on Twitter. If you don't follow him, follow him. He mentioned what I just mentioned to you guys as well. That there is a request from Ripple to get them on camera to talk about these things. Let's jump into it, Tanya. Let's have a look at some indicators. Okay, so as we go here on the daily, we can see the kind of movements that we've been making. At one stage we were $1. We're back down now to 94. We're 5.67% down for the day. Of course, the news from China came around, so nothing outrageous there. We did go as low as 90. We're back up and we're going to 94, but really we've been hovering around. There hasn't been that much activity. The 4 hour, like I said, we went as low as 90, but now we're sitting at 94. We're sitting pretty flat. We're not going up and we're not going down. And so I think, this whole China news is about to plateau. Then again, tomorrow is Sunday and Mondays in Australia are generally red. So can we, touch down? I think, if we are going to go down, we'll go down again to 85 cents. And then we'll continue our uptrend. So do you have another 84 cents opportunity to accumulate more? Yes, you do. That is definitely a possibility. Or from here we could just explode and break and go up. Now a break, like I said before, 110 and then 126. They are very, very, very important and critical components. Now, Serpent, why are you so bullish? Why do you never not say that things are going to go down to, 50 cents territory, 70 cents territory? Well, I just got to zoom out. Like, my job is easy. Like, I just zoom out. I don't let emotions get on me. I don't let the guy down the road tell me where we're going or influence my decisions. I'll make my decisions based on numbers because people lie, but numbers don't lie. And look at this pattern. Now, if you've been following the channel for a while, if you've been following the cryptocurrency charts for a while, you can see it broke out of the line and under, and this was back in January this year. So, when we went down to 16 cents, which seems crazy now, that none of us, that most of us didn't accumulate as much as we should have, and I'll be the first to admit that. Then we broke the line, the white line again, but then we came back in. But every time we've been making a higher high. And so for me, yeah, we could touch down again and break it again for a little bit, but we will go up from here. I think that the end of accumulation is near. And I do this based on numbers. I don't do this based on I woke up yesterday and I woke up today and thought, okay, that's something I'm going to tell them. If you look at these numbers and you look at this, and I'm spending a bit of time here, we're making higher highs. And so I think the end of accumulation is near. We're very close. Very, 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 very close. Like it's a rocket just waiting to be unleashed. Now, we could touch 84 again, 84 to 85, come back to 102, go back to 94, go to 124, touch down to 113, and then go up to 140 and all that. That formation is the most likely scenario right now. So there could be another opportunity for 84, 85. But then that's it. The other scenario that a lot of people have been telling you is that we're going to go to as low as 45 cents. Not happening, bro. Like that's just one person's opinion. That's my thoughts are that we're not going that low. Then we will break, and then we will break, and we will finally begin the journey towards double digit, and in 2022 triple digits. And again, that's just my opinion. So where do we go from here? We're going to go a little bit more down, and then we're finally going to break. We're going to break this yellow line. We're going to consolidate above it, and then I will guide you and follow the journey with you towards double digits in 2021. Now, if you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. As always, thank you, and I look forward to see you on the next one.